Hello, are you tired of browsing bright websites, especially at night? In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on any website using the Dark Reader extension. This extension works on Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and other browsers. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Now click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then go to Extensions, and at the bottom, click Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Dark Reader and press Enter. Look for the extension with the black and orange icon. Click Add to Chrome. Then select Add Extension when prompted. After installation, you'll see the Dark Reader icon in the top right corner of your browser. If it's not visible, click the puzzle icon, find Dark Reader, and click the pin icon to keep it in your toolbar. Click the Dark Reader icon and toggle the switch on. Instantly, the page turns into dark mode, reducing eye strain. If you want disable, it just switch to off. Now every website you visit will be dark mode. And that's it. Now you can browse in dark mode on any website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next one.